Again, good luck, everybody. Dice roll. We are going 10 times on the dice. 6 and 4 is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe if my mouse works. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 here, 10 here. Astros up top. The Boston Red Sox at the bottom. And now 10 times on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 here, 10 here. Sean up top. Darren Highfield at the bottom. And the Chrome HTA Bird, let's sort them out. Break 66, 99. There's your teams. Good luck. Here we go. Chrome HTA Early Bird. 3 autos. Good luck, good luck. Is that a red auto? Or is that, oh, I think it's just the red. It scared me. It scared me. I think it's just the red reflecting. Yes, sir. For the Oakland A's, Miles Naylor. Nice one there for Oakland on the Miles. I thought we had a red refractor auto up first. Tricked the crap out of me. Going to Brian Dobro on the Miles Naylor. Auto number 2. You got green ink. The Boston Red Sox. Yordany Monegro to 99. '89 out of 99 with the Yordany. Going to Darren Highfield in Boston. And the last card looks like yellow auto for the Minnesota Twins. Deiber De Los Santos, 72 out of 75 on the yellow first Bowman auto. Nice card there for Minnesota and Nick Day on the Deiber De Los Santos. And quick recap, Deiber to 75, Yordany to 99, and Miles Naylor on the base. And that is the break, guys. 3 cards. Appreciate the fill. I'm going to put up a different chatter here, guys. I'm going to scratch this for now. I'm sure Bobby will have this chatter back on the screen tomorrow. I'm going to scratch for the time being and put up a different chatter. Again, still got that Mahomes pull box on the website as well. I think the Mahomes pull box has about 40 left. And we got the Select Value Pack box.